United versus Man City today at Old Trafford. A big game. First game for Michael Carrick in charge. I wish him all the best. A great midfielder, Michael Carrick, and I like the way he played and his crisp passing. Anyway, so to start today, I definitely want Maguire and Martinez in the middle at the back to counter Erling Haaland in the air and on the ground. And also Martinez had that pace and positioning to counter threats from Man City. In the middle, Manu, Bruno, and Casemiro. Casemiro defensive mid. Casemiro, if he can hold back and try and keep the defense going without giving too many fouls away, not giving the ball away would be great. And he should, if he wins the ball, give it to one of the other midfielders to create. Up front, Mbeumo and Ahmad, and Sesko in the middle to start. Ahmad and Mbeumo both had very good tournaments at the African Nations Cup, and they both featured very much and are on the top of the game at the moment. And Sesko is looking amazing, and he's really proving to become a top goal scorer that we were all hoping he would be. And hopefully he can put in a couple against Man City as well today. We've got Cunha on the bench. Cunha is a brilliant player. He's there or thereabouts every time. He does a lot of running and a lot of defending, and we would need him to come on in second half to give us more impetus. And maybe Ugarte to come on. But Ugarte, once again, win the ball, Ugarte, give it to somebody else to play. Come on, United, you can do it today. Come on, boys.